In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the CSS editor on Squarespace. The CSS editor is a powerful tool that allows you to customize the appearance of your Squarespace website beyond the standard design panel options. Getting started with it is straightforward, and following these steps will guide you on your way. First, you need to access the Squarespace website, so make sure you've logged into your account. It's essential to double-check that you're logged in, as you'll need administrator privileges to make these changes to your site. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your home page. This is your dashboard where you can manage and customize your website. Take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a menu where you can select the particular website you want to work on, in case you manage more than one. Make sure to choose the correct site, because the changes you'll be making in the CSS editor will only apply to the selected website. Once you've selected your website, you'll notice a list of options on your screen. Find the Pages section and go ahead and click on it. This will navigate you to a page where you can manage individual pages and access more advanced settings for your site. Next, you want to look for the Custom Code option in the menu. Click on it and then select Custom CSS. Now you are entering the realm where you can let your creativity flow. The CSS editor field is now open to you, and you can begin typing in your CSS code. This section allows you to tweak the design of your site to fit your unique vision, so feel free to experiment. While you're in the CSS editor, there's also an option to enhance your code by adding custom files like images or fonts. To do this, click on the Custom Files option and then the plus icon. This feature allows you to upload files directly, making it a breeze to integrate additional visual and formatting elements into your custom code. After you've completed writing and customizing your CSS, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button and click it once you're finished. Saving your changes ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that your website reflects the new styles you've implemented. And that's it. You've successfully used the CSS editor on Squarespace to customize your website. This tool is an excellent way to personalize your site and ensure it fits your brand's identity perfectly. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.